Okay, so with the new sunny days out and our beautiful yard, at least I think it's beautiful, it's just becoming peak cinema. So I'm going to show you some of my plants because I love nature. So that's the ground. We have nice white plants. And I have this tree with something, I don't know what the actual names are, but apparently we call these poison berries or something. So yeah, these are the plants. These are more bushes, more bushes, more bushes, more bushes, even more bushes. Nice umbrella to keep us shady. More bushes. But yeah, but if you just look this way, it's a very nice tree. Plants, bushes all around here. We put Christmas lights on these. Nice sunlight going out there. All the way around. Then we have some flowers. And then more bush. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful when you're tired and just came home from school. So